now we have the double argument and trigonometric identities. So we shall use the identities for function the sum of two argument. So we need to find the identities for 2 theta I sine 2 theta cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. Since sine is 2 theta can be written in the form of the sine of theta plus theta, we can use the identity for sine of the sum to get the sine 2 theta is equal to sine times theta plus theta. So we have the sine theta cos theta plus cos sine theta plus sine theta. So we have the sine 2 theta is equal to sine theta cos theta. So next, we can use this formula in our cosine of the sum two argument. So we have the cos 2 sine theta is equal to cos times theta plus theta is equal to cos sine theta minus sine theta. Sine theta is, we have the cos 2 theta is equal to cosine squared theta is equal to sine squared theta. So alternate the formula for cos 2 theta can be obtained by using the identity of cos 2. So we have the cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So, and thus we have this one. We have the cosine 2 theta is equal to the quantity of 1 is minus sine squared theta minus sine squared theta, or we have the cosine 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So next in our cost, or we can have our cos sine theta or cos 2 squared theta minus 1 minus cos squared theta, or we can have the cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine squared theta minus 1. So we can have also now that tan 2 theta is tan the quantity of theta plus theta. So we have the tan theta plus tan theta, or all over by 1 minus tan theta, or we can have at least tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta, or 1 minus tan squared theta. We have the 1 minus tan squared theta. So this is our tan 2 theta. So we have an example here. So in our example, write the cos 3 theta in the term of cos theta. So as you can see, we have the cos 3 theta is equal to cosine the quantity of 2 theta plus 0. So we have the cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine is minus sine 2 theta and sine theta. So we have that 2 cosine squared of theta minus 1 times cosine theta minus 1 minus the quantity of 2 sine theta cos sine theta times sine theta. This is a sine theta, okay. I can't write it here, so it's very little. So next we have the 2 cosine cube theta minus cosine theta minus 2 times 1 minus cosine squared theta times cosine theta. So we have that 2 cosine cube minus cosine theta minus 2 cosine theta plus 2 cosine theta cosine cube theta. So we have 4 cosine cube theta minus 3 cosine theta. So that's all. Thank you for watching.